of the things that we talk about all the time on this channel is mastering the hard skills. But what about the soft skills? Those are equally important. Hello again, everyone. I'm Eli's dad with Project Eli, where we educate, we lead, and we inspire. And it's true, I've been focusing on this channel on mastering this skill and that skill and so on, but I sort of had an epiphany when I read an article by a lady named Karen Nimmo. It's an excellent article. The title is Transform Your Life with These 7 Soft Skills. So let's read the article because it is a great piece of literature. Once again, the title is Transform Your Life with These 7 Soft Skills by a lady named Karen Nimmo. They're not really soft skills at all. They're essential. I don't know who came up with that phrase, but they need to toss it in a fire or lock it in a drawer or something, because the traits that have been filed under soft skills are those that will make the biggest difference in your life. Soft and hard skills are terms coined from the workplace. Soft skills are the non-technical skills that relate to your work, and they include how you relate to others, solve problems, manage your workload, and manage yourself. Hard skills refer to your technical ability to do your job. Code or write or cook or buy or know or organize or make or fix things. They're the skills that you acquire through education, practice, and repetition. Hard skills scream productivity and efficiency and career advancement, while soft, as the opposite of hard, infers quiet or weak, or at least not as necessary as the hard skills you need to do your job. Which is interesting because soft skills are the most difficult to learn, and they're the ones that will make you shine, not just at work, but in life. The hard art of being soft. Quote, "The most important single ingredient in the formula of success is knowing how to get along with people." Unquote. And that's from Theodore Roosevelt. Anyone who applies themselves can get better at their work, at least the technical aspects of it. They can take courses, read, listen, practice, and repeat. But being good at life is way harder. It requires mastery of not just what you do, but who you are. It requires you to form and maintain relationships. It requires you to be a leader in your own life. These are not soft skills, they're essential. Here are my top 7 and see how you fit in. Transform your life with these 7 soft skills. The first one, you get on with others. Not just the people who suit you either. This means you can get on and feel relaxed with a vast range of people you can adapt to where they're at in life, and you can see their point of view. That means you're a fantastic listener. Being able to relate well to others is vital in all relationships and families. Go to the top of the class if you have this one, because it probably means you have all of the others. Second, you communicate your own view humbly. We all have different ways and strengths when it comes to communication. Whether you write or speak or blog or vlog or draw or use body language, whatever, you're able to express your views. And the word humble is there for a reason. You don't thump the table and expect others to fall into line. That's called dictating, and dictating is not communicating. Third, you consistently regulate your emotions. Absolutely essential if you want to give and get the best from your life and relationships. If you don't believe me, ask anyone who's in a relationship with a perpetually angry or unpredictable person. It's hell. Emotional regulation isn't about bottling your feelings. It's about being able to feel, understand, and express them appropriately. It's about being able to calm yourself down and pick yourself up. It's about being able to ask for help when you need it, but not relying on it. Being able to manage yourself, your moods and emotions is a lifetime's work. So don't expect to be perfect, just commit to keep working on it. Fourth, you keep adapting, and you can do it quickly. Lots of people get stressed by change or uncertainty, which causes them to react impulsively or in ways that upset other people. Being consistently adaptable is surprisingly hard because the world is constantly testing us. It's about being okay with change, not always loving it, but understanding the nature of it. Adaptability is the foundation of resilience. It's about staying light on your feet. I want to repeat that one. Adaptability is the foundation of resilience. It's about staying light on your feet. Number 5, you can motivate yourself all by yourself. You don't endlessly procrastinate and sell yourself short because of it. You do what you want and need to do in life without needing someone to drag you to the starting line. And you do it consistently. Now that's more difficult than it sounds. Have we or have we not had a zillion videos here about the importance of getting to the starting line? That's a key. Number 6, you can motivate others. This is about being able to get alongside others in a way that brings out the best in them. That doesn't mean being relentlessly positive either. Particularly valuable if you're a parent or a manager. Here's a warning though. You won't be able to do this if you can't motivate yourself. 7, you have good manners. Now, if this sounds a little patronizing, it's meant to. Everyone thinks they have good manners, but they don't. They just have manners when it serves them to do so. We should have good manners all the time, not just when we want something or we're with someone who can do something for us. Please, thank you, and sorry are the most important words in any language, as well as somebody's name. Don't hold back. Use them liberally. They'll take you further than you think. Eli, soft skills are incredibly important. How you get along with people is so incredibly important. And I have omitted that portion to some degree on this channel, and I saw this and I said, wow, this is critical stuff. Once again, huge shout out to Karen Nimmo for this great article. And always remember, hey, don't ration the passion, fashion the passion. I'm Eli's dad.